The Meghalaya Department of Sports and Youth Affairs hosted a special send-off ceremony at Hotel Centrepoint, Shillong, to extend its best wishes to football team of Minken Christian High Secondary School, Boirambong, ahead of their participation in the Indo-French Football Tournament in Paris, France. The team, which gained recognition for its impressive performance in Subruto Cup, will also represent India on an international stage. The event was attended by several distinguished personalities, including Meghalaya Football Association President Hamilton Dolling, who was the chief guest. Also present were Sports and Youth Affairs Director Didi Shira and also Lajong FC's Chairman Larsing Saoyan, who is also the proprietor of Centrepoint Hotel. The gathering also included officials, supporters, and well-wishers who came to encourage the young athletes. As a token of support, the MFA provided financial assistance to the team, acknowledging their dedication and hard work. Officials at the event commended Minken Christian High Secondary School for its commitment to football and applaud the players for their perseverance and skill, which have earned them the opportunity to compete internationally. Speakers at the event emphasized that the young footballers will not only represent Meghalaya but also the entire country in the tournament. Under the guidance of their coach Bobby L. Nongbet, the Minken Christian School team is set to play their first match on March 25th in Paris. The tournament provides them with a platform to showcase their talent and gain valuable exposure in the international football.
On behalf of the District Sports Office, Nongpo, and as the team officials of this Grande Exposure Tournament, and as we embark on this mission, I would like to speak a bit on the remarkable performance of the under-17 boys of Minken Higher Secondary School, Boirambong, Riboy District. Incredibly, a wonderful feeling for me from all angles. The under-17 category is the most challenging category in the International Subruto Cup that we have witnessed in the last few years. The last time we could win the cup was in 2019. So this time around in 2024, we were runners-up. It's overwhelming to me at this Subruto Cup competition altogether. Now that it has opened up this opportunity to now compete at the international level comprehensively at Paris, France. Most would be jealous of Minken Higher Secondary School or of Riboy District or our state of Meghalaya, but probably not jealous of the reason how we have happened to achieve it. The vision started when the school officials approached the office, my office actually, even before the district level started. So I was astonished for their request for my guidance and support, and they were saying that, the school was saying that once the team wins at the district level, we will need your support and guidance for this team to prepare at the state level, which was utterly surprising to me. Well, it's obviously very surprising. Then immediately we collected after Minken made it to the state level convincingly. So it was what they have mentioned, and then that happened, and then we immediately prepared for the state level after that. And then the state level was dominated and snatched away by Riboy District in all age categories. That's impressively done this year, 2024. The performance of this under-17 boys at the national level was a testament of what happened at the training ground, I would say. Not possible if the team hadn't received that kind of preparation time that we had before the national participation. A huge thank you to the Directorate for all the arrangements for the pre-competition training and at the competition in Delhi as well. None of this would also have been possible without all the key stakeholders, the sports associations, Meghalaya Football Association, the football clubs, schools active in football development, the school's initiative of the grassroots centers all over the state are very much responsible in contributing the identification and development of football in the state.
From the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we will always continue to support and assist in whatever way we can. This kind of cause, this kind of venture in the future also. So enjoy the trip. My best wishes to you. I would also like to convey our best wishes from Honorable Minister, who could not be here because of his busy schedule. But I will also convey back to him that we had a nice send-off program. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Just bring back only the good memories. As you all know, as we go as a group, and if we move outside, we always encounter inconveniences, problems, and we may have to follow some rules. We have to stick to the time. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Welcome all of you all to this send-off ceremony. To see you all off go to Paris. It is indeed a big pleasure that first of all we have this kind of a situation where a team from Shillong, a group of youngsters from Meghalaya, can go all the way to Paris to represent the country. It's a great, indeed a big honor, and also it's testimony to the hard work that has been put in by the state of Meghalaya towards the development of football. Last time Meghalaya won the Subroto Cup, as Bobby mentioned, was in 2019. At that time, it was part of our Goal 22 program, and Bobby himself was a coach of that team. And subsequently, he has mentored this team, and I personally was there for the finals. I managed to catch the match. And I must say I was tremendously proud to see the way the boys played, because we may not have won the tournament, but that match, which was between Meghalaya and Manipur, was a match fit for the highest level in India that was played at the Ambedkar Stadium. While we lost by a narrow margin, it was a match where we won in terms of building the future foundation of Meghalaya football. Today, the MFA has managed to bring in the first international match to Shillong, which is a tremendous achievement. And for this, I congratulate the vision of the state government for having invested towards creating infrastructure that will allow such events to happen in Shillong. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate Hamlet Dolling for being able to network and convince the AIFF to bring the Indian team for such an important qualifier to Shillong. That would have required, being in the AIFF myself for more than a decade, I know how much of convincing power is required to convince the people and the executive committee in Delhi. That he has managed to do so is a great testimony towards the way the MFA is functioning. Also, it's a great opportunity for Meghalaya to build on this situation, and hopefully in the future we will see many more tournaments coming in. A bit sad, I'm mixed with a feeling of happiness and sadness at this moment, because while the national team is here, it has almost 7 to 8 players from Manipur. It has a couple of players from Mizoram. But unfortunately, boys from Meghalaya are missing in this national team. So I think it will be our common resolution that we further work on the grassroots of Meghalaya football, and jointly, both from the government, MFA, SSA, different state and district associations, and all the grassroots football clubs of Meghalaya, we all have to work together towards creating football players that will wear the blue jersey. And to see a local boy wear that blue jersey and play in Shillong is, I think, our next dream and agenda.
So on this very day, I would also like to take my advantage to congratulate Ba Ming, the owner of the Shillong Lajong Football Club. It was the club that has produced maximum numbers of players, not only in the junior level, but also in the senior level. We have seen the contribution in the field of players in the state of Meghalaya. It is true, the hard work of the Shillong Lajong Football Club, and we should not forget also of football coach Bobby. So today, Minken Higher Secondary School, we are very, very fortunate that the government of Meghalaya is organizing this set of program. And also, Meghalaya Football Association also is taking part on this very important program, because we are very, very happy that we are getting this opportunity to play in the international level. We are here today to give you the best wishes to all of you, and we hope that the same spirit that you always have, that you will show up, you will play against all this international team, and we believe that you will beat all this team and you will come up in flying colors. On behalf of the Meghalaya government and also on behalf of the Meghalaya Football Association, we'd like to wish you all the very best. But a small advice from our side to you is that when you are there in the foreign country, the most important part is that you should have discipline. Discipline is very, very important. And please do obey the official who will going with you, especially the coach. People all over the world, they will watch you. People all over the world, they will see how the team from India, how the team from Meghalaya, how the team from Ribhoi district is going to play. So this is a very, very important platform to all of you. Ba Ming has just stated that nowadays football players can earn in one season more than 1 crore. So we are very, very fortunate enough that got this opportunity, and please make use of this platform. Because from Meghalaya Football Association also, we are looking upon you.